Buonasera, buonasera and welcome to Enzo's Kitchen. Tonight we're gonna have a main course. It's something that the English people love it. It's lamb. Lamb and we're gonna do in a special way. Look, this nice cut of lamb here. We're gonna be doing lamb with olives. So cut some chops of this nice cut of lamb. Look at that, it's beautiful. So 1 and 2. We have this dish in the mountain. We cook a lot this dish in the mountain because you need something warm, something nice, and we do. So you cut pieces of this lamb with all the fat because the fat is sweet, it's nice, it's what you want. So we got this lamb there, and of course we start with my extra virgin olive oil. Look at that. He's going in. Put quite a hot pan because we want to sizzle the lamb first of all, and then we slow down. We're going to simmer it. So when it's nice and hot oil like that, we crush a garlic clove. Goes in. And as soon as this is sizzling, then we're going to put the fat there. What we can do, we can start to season it with some salt and some pepper, which is here. Look at that. Season it nicely, mix it, and when this garlic, you see, is sizzling, we can put in the lamb. Make sure this lamb is all covering the oil there. Okay, so we won't need this anymore. Make sure you change the chopping board and change your chopping board with nice vegetable. That would be the side dish. Okay, this is, oh, look at that. I love lamb. It's nice, sweet, it's warm, it's everything that you want in a main course. Now, we're gonna put some chili, which is here. Put into the frying pan and make sure it's all sealing with the oil. While this is sealing, I'm going to prepare some of the vegetables. There we are. Always keep an eye to the pan. One nice slices of carrot, and again slices of courgette, and what you put this point is olive. With your finger you can just throw in there black olive, nice and juicy black olive. Yes, put quite a lot. For a dish you need nice olives. I love olives. Olives and lamb is what a combination. Yeah. Okay. Now in my other frying pan, I'm gonna put again some extra virgin olive oil. Again, when it's hot, I do my vegetables. Just that. Some more olives, 1 and 2 more, and I'm gonna put the magic ingredient, which is the wine, the white wine. You can use red wine, but I prefer white because it doesn't become so dark. Oh, that's the right smell I like. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry the rosemary from my garden. When it's fried a bit, you see now sizzling. Look at that, look. All nice and sizzling rosemary. You add into the lamb. So the oil in there has got the rosemary flavor, and now the rosemary goes into the lamb. Okay, so we put 1, 2, 3, 4, and also my aubergine, nice thin layers like that, and fry as well. Turn this around. Nice. I love roasted vegetable or grilled vegetable. It's what I like most. 2 and 3, and let's look my lamb. Look that, very nice. And at this point I'm going to add some of water and lower down the heat, so it cooks nice and slowly. Okay, now the vegetables are getting cooked. A little bit of seasoning, salt and pepper, and here we are. Courgette here, nice color, nice flavor, tastes very nice. Okay, this is the carrot, goes in there, and here we are. Look, nice and juicy. To complete this dish, the last thing we need to do is at the very end. You don't want the taste, you want just the flavor of the lemon. Just cut one wedge of lemon, throw in there, let it cook a little bit, so even the skin of the lemon flavor goes in it. Okay, so we have the aubergine. Okay, and here we are. So cover it up. When we don't need, maybe a drop more of water, and it will be ready in a couple of minutes. We're gonna dish up this great dish. Okay, so you put these 3 layers, and then you do a nice wedge in there. Look, 1, 2, and 3, and again in there, and again. Yes, so you got all these wedges of vegetable in a corner there, and this lamb is ready to be served. Look at that. Now the last bit, we need to have very high flame, and we're going to put this lamb in there. This is going to be the last thing. The juice, look at the juice that goes in there. Leaves, and look, even the lemon is going to be part of the decoration here, and put all in there. This is what I need. The rosemary was on the top. Let me clear this plate, and ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is a beautiful and tastes great lamb with olives and vegetables. Here we are for you and your family. You can eat. It's easy to do. You see, in a few minutes we managed to create that and enjoy it. If you like this video, please go to my YouTube channel, press the button and say I like it and subscribe. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Write also some comments if you want to, and I will answer. Take care. Bye-bye. Enjoy it.